Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello if you are new. So today we are going to be making some chocolate cheesecakes. So I'm going to be doing some mini ones in my little glass bowls. So I've never done them in these before, so I thought I'd bring you along to see how they turn out. So to make the base, I am going to be using some Digestive biscuits, some melted butter and some caster sugar. So first of all, I'm going to weigh out 150 grams of Digestive biscuits. So now I'm going to put the biscuits into the blender. So there is the crushed up Digestive biscuits. So now I'm just gonna pour that in to the bowl. So now I'm going to measure out 45 grams of butter. I'm going to pop this in the microwave and get this melted down. So guys, I have melted the butter down. So now, into my biscuit mix, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. So I have my little measuring spoon. I'm going to pour that one in. And now I'm going to tip in the butter. So now I'm going to get my spoon and I'm going to mix all of this together. So now all of that is mixed, I'm going to put some mixture into my little dish. And I'm going to flatten these down. And there you have the base for your cheesecake. So I'm going to do the rest of these, and then once I've done them I will come back to you. So guys, out of the mixture I just made, I have been able to make 8 little cheesecakes. So now I'm going to get these into the fridge to rest for 20 minutes whilst I make the top layer. So the bases are in the fridge setting now, so I'm going to melt 150 grams of chocolate. So let's get this measured out. So now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time, mixing it after the 30 seconds so it doesn't burn. Leave that to cool for a little bit. So whilst that's cooling, I am going to measure up 120 ml of double cream. So I'm using this one today, and then I am going to whisk this with an electric whisk. So let's get this measured. So we've gone a little bit over, but that doesn't matter. So then now I'm going to get my whisk, and I am going to whisk this just for a bit. So that is the cream whipped. So now I'm going to measure out 115 grams of caster sugar. Then I am going to get my cream cheese. So there is 200 grams in the Co-op soft and creamy soft cheese. So now I am going to pour in the sugar with the cheese and get this mixed together. So as you can see, the sugar and the cream cheese is now all mixed together. So now I'm going to get my cream and I'm going to pour that in. Now I'm going to just give that a little mix in together. And then now I'm going to add in the chocolate. So now everything is in, I'm just going to fold this all in together. So as you can see, that is all now mixed together. It's a nice chocolatey mixture. So the bases have been resting in the fridge for 20 minutes. So now I'm just going to get some topping. Level these out. So you can put as much or as little in these as you want. It's to your preference. And then there is your homemade cheesecake. So I am going to decorate the tops of these. I have got some little caramel nibbles, but I need to let this mixture rest for 20 minutes. So I'm going to get the rest of these done, and then when they are ready to be decorated, I will bring you guys back. See you in a minute. So guys, these have been resting for about half an hour now. So got a little bit of Cadbury chocolate left and we got some white chocolate. So I am just going to grate some of this. Grate some white chocolate as well. And then we've got our caramel nibbles. So I'm just gonna get some nibbles. Pop them on. And then we're gonna get some chocolate and some white chocolate. Make it all about. And that is going to be the finished result of our homemade cheesecakes, which is the non-bake way of doing them. So I'm going to get these finished, put them back in the fridge for 2 hours to set, or until everybody wants to eat them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and take a look at some of our other ones. We've got some adventure videos on there as well as cooking videos. So guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.